Hey there, and welcome back to Say It Right. Today, we're heading to Switzerland to learn how to pronounce the name of its largest city. Zurich. It might look simple, but are you saying it the right way? Let's find out. Correct pronunciation is Zurich. Let's break it down, step by step. First, zoo, like the place where you see animals. And Rick rhymes with brick, but softer. Now say it with me, Zurich. One more time, Zurich. Great job. So what is Zurich? It's the largest city in Switzerland and a major financial hub. Did you know? Zurich has been around since Roman times and was originally called Turicum. It's famous for its banks, chocolates, and one of the best quality of life rankings in the world. Now the spelling tip. It's spelled Z-U-R-I-C-H. But remember, no CH sound at the end. Now that you've mastered Zurich, you can say it with confidence. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and share it with a friend. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.